Good morning, students. Our last chapter for the term 1 examination is mail merge. Yes, this mail merge is the last chapter. So, children, pay attention. Mail merge means this chapter you will be learning how to see the merging fields, how to create the main documents. So, how to use the mail merge means how to use this mail facility. In business as well as in personal matters, it is often required to send letters. So, children, you all know how to send emails to your friends and relatives. It is quite common these days. But it might happen that in business, it is very frequent to send the letters via mail. Nowadays, it's very common that students also mail to their friends or family members with similar information to different people. Sometimes it happens that a businessman want to send same information to different people. So the letter require the name and address of each recipient. When you are mailing a letter, what you need the name जिसको mail करना and as well as the address. ठीक है? To be printed on the top. So changing the address each time would be very long process and a wastage of time and effort. Every time suppose you keep on changing the address of the recipient, it will take a lot of time. So let us use this mail merge facility. So this mail merge feature of Microsoft Windows is used to combine a data source which contains addresses of all the recipients with the main document. It saves your time and energy to send letters to multiple addresses. Data source. Data source consists of a mailing list. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. For example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. The data source is associated with the main document so that its field names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses with the main document. Okay? So suppose this is the data sample of the mailing list, means this is the sample that you want to do the mail. Name is Ayush, Manvika, Bhumi and Akash. Address of all four is given. City, PIN code and telephone number is given. This is your data source. Now main document means what? It contains the text that you wish to send to the recipients. Merge fields. Now see. Merge field क्या होता है? It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instructs Microsoft Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. Means this is the data source where it has to be inserted in the main document. So mail merge involves three basic steps. कौन से steps हैं? Creating the main document, specifying a data source and merging the data source with the main document. This is the how to create them. This is the way you will create the main document. Then specify the data source, okay, and merge the source with the main document. Now creating the main document, how to do, just see. To create the main document, you have to follow these steps. What are the steps? Create a new document and type a letter or open an existing letter in Microsoft Word that you want to send to 10 different people at their addresses. Means you will open Microsoft Word and then you will type one letter that you want to send to 10 different people at their addresses. What you will do now, click on the Mailings tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, you have to click on the Start Mail Merge drop down arrow and select the step-by-step mail merge wizard option. See, in figure 9.2 it is given, no? There. The mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. Where it is appearing? It is appearing on the right side of the application window. Now select the letters radio button, which you have to select radio button under the select document type section. Okay? Then click on start, then click on next starting document under step 1 of 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. A new task pane appears on the screen as shown in the figure 9.3. See, when you do these steps, no, you come in the computer lab, students, you will try to do these steps and this picture is going to come in front of you. Then click on next, select recipients under step 2 of 6 section. Another task pane appears as shown. Options for defining the recipients list. This is the thing that once you do this practically, no children, you will understand. So when you will come in the computer lab next time, so you will bring your book and you will try these steps in the lab. Creating a data source. To create a new mailing list, follow the steps. Select the Type New List Radio button under the Select Recipient section in the Mail Merge task pane and click on the Create option. The new address list dialog box appears on the screen. Click on the Customize column button to add or remove the fields. Enter data in the recipient fields and click on the New Entry button located at the bottom left of the dialog box. Enter 4 records of your friends and relatives, then click on OK. You will get the Save Address List dialog box. You have to specify a name in the file name. जब ये आ जाएगा तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको फाइल नेम पे एक नेम स्पेसिफाई करना है. Okay, and click on the Save button. The Mail Merge Recipients dialog box will appear. This dialog box displays the details of all the records which are being added by you. So to change any detail, you can select the data source and click on the Edit button located under the data source. Data source में जाके Edit button में आपको click करना है and you can change any details. When you are through, you have to click on the OK button to confirm and close the window. Note that by default, tick marks are placed on the check boxes next to the data source fields. जो भी data source field है उसके पास क्या होगा, देखो automatically tick marks will be placed. इसका मतलब that these records are selected. If you do not want to send the letter to a particular address, just click on that specific checkbox to deselect. किसी एक particular address पे मान लो आपको नहीं भेजना है letter, तो उस पर आपको क्या करना है, उसको deselect कर देना है, ठीक है. और उसके बाद click on OK button. Now click on the next. Write your letter. Wizard step under step 3 of 6 section in the Mail Merge task pane. ठीक है. Now students, our next topic is how to insert the merging fields. Yeah. To insert merge fields, you have to follow some steps. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the record field. मतलब जहाँ पे insert करना है वहाँ पे cursor place करो. उसके बाद select the mailings tab and then click on the Insert Merge Field button in the right and Insert Field group. The Insert Merge Field dialog box will appear with the list of field names that you have created. See, it is coming with the field list of field names. आपने first name, last name, address one जो भी create किया, it will be appearing. Now let us know more में देखो क्या लिखा है. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. For example, name, address, city, etc. Then click on the field name that you intend to add and then click on the Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Click on the Close button. You will notice that the selected field names appear on your document horizontally. Separate the field names by pressing the Enter key. Viewing the merged data. Now see, whatever data you have merged, now how to view that data. You can check whether the Microsoft Word has picked the data source according to your merge fields or not. How you can see? By viewing it on the screen. Click on the Preview Result button in the Preview Result group of the Mailings tab or select Next Preview your letters under step 4 of 6 section. The first record will be displayed. Click on the Next Record button in the Preview Result group to view the next record of the data source. Okay. This also you will do this exercises practically, then you will be able to understand much better. Now how to print the merged letters. You can take the printout of your letter with the merged data of your data source. In order to print the letters, you have to follow the steps. What are the steps? Click on the Finish and Merge button. In the Finish group of the Mailings tab, select the Print Documents option under the drop-down menu or click on Next. Complete the merge under the step 5 or 6 action in the task pane and then click on the Print option under the Merge section. The Merge to Printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and then click on OK. The Print dialog box will appear. Define the print settings and then click on OK. The selected letters will be printed. If you do not want to take the printout of the merged letters, click on the Edit Individual Document option. This will open all the letters in one document. Now here you can save the letters by clicking on File Save. So even this chapter is very small. It is completed. Please complete the assessment part of this chapter also. And in exam, please read all the chapters thoroughly, whatever I have told you to learn, children. जो जो chapters मैंने syllabus के लिए भेजा है ना, please read the chapters very nicely so that you will be able to solve all the MCQ questions. Thank you for watching.